Welcome in Design Hub. In this video, we will learn SolidWorks Simulation, Static Analysis. First we will discuss what is static analysis.
That's good.
When load are applied on geometry, effect are transmitted throughout the body and causing deformation. And body generate internal forces, reaction at the support, to balance the applied external load. These internal forces and reaction will create stress and strain in the body. Static analysis calculate displacement, strain, stress based on some assumption. First one, loads are applied slowly and gradually. Second one, loads remain constant after reaching their maximum value. Third one, relation between loads and induced responses is linear. Fourth one, Hooke's law is applicable. Fifth one, material properties like Young modulus and Poisson ratio remain constant. Sixth one, loads must be constant in magnitude, direction and distribution. Seventh, boundary condition do not vary during the application of loads. If these condition or assumption are valid for your analysis, then you can perform linear static analysis. If the geometry return to its original shape and remain in the linear elastic range once load is removed, then linear stress analysis is applied. If not, or only assumption not valid, then go for non-linear analysis. Static analysis is validate through factor of safety.